Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and car so CarPlay works reliably. First, confirm your iPhone runs iOS 13.0 or later and enable Siri in settings. Voice control is required. Next, plug a certified USB cable into the car port or pair via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi if your vehicle supports wireless CarPlay. Once done, select the CarPlay icon on the infotainment screen and grant permissions on your phone. This establishes the connection and lets apps appear on your dashboard immediately. You'll now customize and use CarPlay for daily driving. Open iPhone settings right arrow general right arrow CarPlay, pick your vehicle, and drag apps to prioritize. This changes what you see on the dash. Use Touch, your vehicle's dial, or Siri to launch maps, make a call, send a message, or play music. Voice keeps eyes on the road. Make sure to set navigation voice volume and notification behavior so directions beat music. This avoids surprises and keeps your drive coordinated and safe. You're finishing the session and making CarPlay reliable long-term. When done driving, stop the car and eject CarPlay on the screen or simply unplug the cable. Doing so prevents data glitches. Regularly install iOS updates in your vehicle's firmware because updates resolve bugs and improve wireless stability. If things go wrong, CarPlay won't connect. Restart your iPhone first, then toggle CarPlay off and on in settings. If that fails, swap to a certified USB cable and repair the device to clear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.